Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Suno AI to make a song using your voice. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you're going to have to open up your desired internet browser of your choice, and then you have to go to google.com, and here just search for Suno AI, or alternatively you can also go to suno.com, and yeah, just click on the first link or just go to their website by typing in this URL. And now you just have to log in into your Suno AI account. If you haven't already, you can also log in through your Google, Discord, Apple, or uh, Facebook account on Suno AI. So, yeah, guys, once you have logged in, you have to record a sample of your voice and click on upload audio here and just upload your sample here. And then you just have to click on create song, or you can alternatively just go to this tab right here which says create. And here you have to put lyrics of your song. You can also use Pow.com or ChatGPT to generate lyrics for your song, and then just upload audio if you didn't already in library, and just put in your lyrics, select the lyrics module, and uh, select your audio from the workspace, click on create, and it will start creating a bunch of songs for you. And then you can just select a song that you like the most, and you can edit it to your own liking. So yeah guys, this is how you create a song using Suno AI. You can also experiment with other versions of Suno AI and see which one works the best for you. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.